What's up, traders? In this video, I'm going to show you my 3 keys to identify heavy sell pressure on the level 2 and timing sales using Dodge Trader Pro. Also, I'm going to give you an example of what light sell pressure looks like. So, looking at this chart, it's screaming heavy sell pressure. Yes, we see that. But if you didn't have this timing sales here in this level 2, you would be at a disadvantage, I feel, in my opinion. If you were just trading off the chart, you would definitely been caught in this breakout, in this false breakout here. This is a false breakout candle. The action I'm about to show you here is probably the same action that happened in this candle that made this form here, this false breakout here over 3. So this is an example I got. Well, first, run it back a little bit. Sorry. Right there, like, this is one example. One of my keys for me that's some heavy sell pressure is the tape. Look how red. Look at the tape. These are nothing but sell orders that's getting filled on the bid. That means it wants to go down. All these orders here wants to go down. I'm not gonna get into the basics of the time and sales in level 2. I'll make a video about that in the future, but they got other videos on YouTube of how to read the basics of the time and sales in level 2. But this is screaming sell pressure here on the tape. All these red prints. So you want to be weary about entering a position there like that. So I entered here, and you can see as I enter here, the pressure, the red pressure, the light, the tape started showing green. But don't worry about my entry here. Just right now, I'm just trying to show you the heavy sell pressure right now. So I entered here, and another example of that one key that I identify here on the sell pressure is, like, watch when I identify, like, watch when I get in here. Like, the bid is going to struggle to go up and hold. Like, I'm in that 283, and now we have 284 on the ax here. Now just keep your eye on the bid. And then this too, the tape. Like, you'll get to a point where you can kind of see all this at the same time, but the tape is just moving real slow, man, real slow. It's not moving fluid enough, in my opinion. Yeah, look at the stalls in the tape. We got some greens coming through. So you just see that it went to. So if you watch to it, look at the bids. Entered. I put my my position there. So it's struggling to go up, and then we have. And here's another key here. Key number 2. You have the reds here. Key number 1. Key number 2 is, now look at the ax. It's stacked up against the bid. That's another a key to identify the sell pressure. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sellers at 284 that want to sell here against the 1, 2, 3, 4 buyers at 283, and with the red tape and the red in the tape. So that's sell pressure. I mean, it's gonna go down, and it's gonna struggle to go up. So just keep your eyes on the bid as well. Like, look how it struggles to go up from 283. Get the greens. It goes 284. Cool. This went back down from 284. It dropped. It lost it. That's weakness. That's sell pressure to me. 285. It's struggling to go up from 285. Like, we need some more green prints here. We need green on the tape to loosen up, to lighten up that sell pressure, so we can get this 286 up out of here. There's not enough green coming through the time of sales. We got the 285, it's cool, but now we need some more. Like, they still, like, as soon as we got through 285, they started selling again on the bid at 285. Like, this all of this should have been green if that pressure was light. There weren't that many selling up there. So it was that 285 on the bid, and it dropped to 284. Now it's back on the ask. Heavy sell pressure. Got some more reds coming through. More reds coming through. Got through. Now we're at 86 on your bid. 86, 87. Can we keep going up? Nope. Drop to 86. That's real heavy. That is heavy. Got more. I got more red coming in. Real heavy. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the ask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 against 2 buyers at 286. There's 7 sellers at 287 versus the 2 buyers at 286. Some heavy sell pressure there. Got some greens. Can't maintain. It's going down. The bids. Look at the bids. It's going down. It's hard. It's struggling. 285. Can go. Look how slow it's taking to go to 280. It didn't even go to 286. But it's going down fast. Like, look how fast it's going down. Every time. Look how sensitive it is. The level 2 is sensitive. There's no buyers. Every time that you'll see a red on the tape comes, this will drop quickly. It'll react to it quickly because there's no buyers. But when you see the greens come through, if you look on the ask, it'll take a long time for this to move. It'll take a long time for this to go up. It's a lot of selling, too much pressure. $84, $85. So keep your eyes on the bid. $86. 87. Uh-oh. My bad, y'all. I forward wanted it. Sorry. I fast forwarded it. Alright. So, let's keep your eyes. 85. Keep your eyes on the bid. 84, 85, 86. Big number on the axe. So you got all these greens going through. There's only 127. Was 12,700 shares here, plus it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not gonna do all that up, but these are. If you calculate, okay, just start coming at 287. But watch how when this come through, it's gonna equal up to more than whatever this is. 12,000 shares. Like this is already 20,000 shares right there. That went through. No, I'm sorry, 2,000 shares. Hey, I can't count right now, y'all. Sorry, y'all. Speeding up, tape speeding up. Now watch me get to 290. Now, we got all this green going through on 290. Yes, there is a big number here, and these numbers probably don't equal up to 378. But watch what happens. It's gonna go through, get 8 up, and just watch what happens. You see that? You see that? I'm running back. This is my key number 3, y'all. This is what you can say there is a hidden seller here. And he's at 91, or I could say at 90 maybe. Just as the orders over here, the axe size, just as it was getting lower and getting smaller, and you see the greens going through, it didn't go up. It didn't go up. It went to 291 for like a split second, and then it instantly dropped. And I don't even think it went to 291. I think it just went to 290 and it dropped. Let's see. Look at that. It went to 290 and it dropped to 289. Now, all those tapes that went through, you can say that the pressure the buyers gave up there once they saw those orders there, but that was a lot of green orders going through. And he should have lifted. And that's when I exit my position. Because I saw that it went to 90, instantly got rejected. And it was just too much pressure up there. It's just too much up there. More red on the tape. Got that. Alright, so next example, I'm gonna show you of what the sell pressure looks like when it's lighting up, when it's light sell pressure. When it stops selling as much. So you can see here we already have red on the tape. Got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sells at 1301 stacked up against the 2 buyers here, indicating sell pressure. Alright. And you can look at the tape. Like, keep your eyes on the tape. Well, it's gonna be kind of hard to do, but if you look at the tape, it starts to slow down, and you can start to see some green coming in, kind of breaking up that red pattern, and it's already doing it here. And then keep your eyes on the bid as well. The bid, it's at 12.93. It will struggle to go lower than that. It will start going up. In the last example, every time you see a price at on the bid and it'll get hit over here, it'll go down. But here in this example, you'll see that it'll get hit. The time it sells would print orders on the bid over here, and it will not go down. It'll probably go down. If it goes down for a split second, it'll reclaim where it came from and keep going up from there. Keep your eyes on the bid. Look at that. Coming 92, 96, 97, 98, 99s, 93s again, 96. You see how hard it is for it to go down? The pressure is lightening up. And then look at the tape. We got some greens coming in. The red is not, you don't see a lot of red anymore. It's struggling to go down. And another play you can see, I guess another key that the pressure is lightening up is the tape will speed up with green prints. 96. Look at the bids. So that's when I decided to enter my position there. Got in at 1303. So you see, I put my order here, right here at 1303. Right when I saw all this green, and I saw these numbers here start to go down. You can see it goes real fast. It's sped up real quick here. Gotta have hotkeys to enter a position like this. Enter there. I enter with the green prints. Went down a split second. Instantly came back up. Look at the bids. It's struggling to go down. And I get the rip. 15, 16s. I mean 1203, 14, 19s, 21s, 24s. So that's my example of light sell pressure. So yeah, if you like this video and you like to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to Money Games, your boy, and I'll come up with some more stuff like this. Leave a comment too, if you kind of, I guess if you understand this better.